quick break from all the car spotting stuff. We're doing some tourist spotting here at the 52nd floor in the Mori Tower in Roppongi Hills. So check out this view. It's a pretty nice 360 view, and it doubles up as an art exhibition. Roppongi Hills City View. We're gonna zoom in on the 52nd floor on a white California, first gen too. What's going on here, guys? What the fuck? Oh, hello. Where I'm pointing at, that's the Starbucks corner where we usually hang out and spot from. So this place is also doubling up as an art exhibition. So they actually got the Space Invaders 40th anniversary celebration going on here. They're gonna project the Space Invader games on the window panes. You can play at night. So kind of messed up, came during the daytime. Oh well, look at that. That's a Tinder profile photo right there. Wait, oh. Yes. There's a Space Invaders Cafe. Attack of the Seafoods. Look at that. That's a waffle. And it's a bun with the Space Invaders logo and some drinks.
How much is the waffle?
1,160 yen.
That's like the same we spent on lunch.
Yeah, pretty much. You guys are in for a real mind fuck here, guys. We're in the art exhibition section of the 52nd floor. Just missed it. Liberty Walk 458. Oh, I think I got it. I got it. Currently sat out here at Tokyo Midtown Starbucks. Got myself a pick-me-up, a little chocolate donut, and a caramel frappe. We're in business, guys. Here we go. I even got a tray. We don't get trays in America, you know that? No, the Starbucks in America are so shit. All right, guys, we got a pretty busy day ahead of us. We got the entire Pagani lineup in there. The Pagani Revolution, Wire with Tempesta package, and the Kiryu 760. We got a mystery car right over there. Let's go inside Bingo Sports, our favorite dealership of choice when visiting Tokyo. Let's take a look and see what's up. Standard lineup here, but we got a mystery car right over here, guys. Check this out, the Tom's T01. Not really sure how many they built. Built in 94. It's got the transmission off a Toyota, 5-speed manual, 0 to 60 in like 5.5 seconds. I think this was up for auction. I'm not really sure, or it's been sold privately, but this thing is quite rare. It's like a unicorn car that showed up in Gran Turismo 2. Don't really know too much about this car, so that being said, let's check out the rear. It's quite funky. Change of plan, guys. We were about to check out this Pagani dealership that just opened up with Bingo Sports, but someone just spotted a white Enzo somewhere in Shibuya, so we're gonna take our chances, hop on the train, and try and catch it somewhere, but I have my doubts. Currently strategizing as to where the white Enzo might drive through. This way? That way? Over there? Here's the white Enzo that passed through. Right there. There it is. We can only hope. Another photo of the white Enzo in Roppongi. Son of a... Alright, 30 minutes in, no white Enzo, but we found a Skyline GTR first generation lowered. It's not a white Enzo, but it's a white car. V12. It's a V12. We're close. We're on brand. He's turning our way, so we're in business. I can feel the Enzo, guys. Yeah. That'll do, I guess. We're off to Daikoku Tatsumi. Currently here at the car rental place. Ken's sorting out the car. Not really sure what car we're getting tonight. Oh, gee. Oh, they just... Did they just scrape? Yeah. Just our luck, guys. We got the amazing Yaris. I'm going to stick 5 people in this motherfucker. So, off to Tatsumi and Daikoku. Here we go. It's completely empty. Not a single car in sight. Ooh, Ferrari. Have you ever seen it this empty, Ken? Alright guys, we were right here at Tatsumi's. Luckily it's not closed like Daikoku was, but we got the man with a Lambo cat. Spot just opened up for him, but I don't see the cat, so kind of sad that cat's not made an appearance today. Alright, it's pretty damn cold, guys. We got an event door, we got a 512 Testarossa. Of course, we got Team Ninja, baby, making an appearance. Yeah, I don't think any of us have ever seen anything like that happen before, but it is what it is. Nothing you can do. We're gonna keep on trucking, guys. That's nice. C63S wagon. Nice. Testarossa. Team Ninja. Let's go over here. They might do some pulls. I apologize. Once again, we're changing our plans. We're going to Akihabara, Tokyo. There's a JDM F-Boy meet. I think there's gonna be some anime cars as well. We're not really sure what to expect. It's just too damn cold. And turn out it's mediocre subpar. But let's hop back in the rental Toyota Yaris. We'll be on our way. Hold on to that thought, guys. Murcielago with some lights just rolled up. Nice. Guys, we just arrived here at Akihabara Underground Car Meet. Greeted with a pretty crazy CTSV. It's got an anime character on the front bonnet. Huh. Tow hook, wheels, lowered, side skirt. Very nice. Oh, look, it's engraved. Check that out, guys. You can sort of see it. Oh, look, Cadillac Racing. It's like engraved. I love that. Oh. You're not going to see that in America on a CTSV. We're going to do a quick walk around of the entire car park, but it's mainly JDM and stands and some anime cars. So bear with me, guys. Not a lot of exotic stuff out tonight. Fortunately, they closed Daikoku and just Tatsumi just closed. So that being said, here we go. Seeing a Sailor Moon wrap on an M3 yet. That's a first. Stumbled across the BMW M3 section. Nice. Check out this color right here. Same anime, they all chosen a different character. That's what we call a squad, guys. Check that out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just wandering around the underground garages here at Akihabara. Just something, sudden realization that no one's been really fuckboying around. No revs, accelerations, burnouts. Everyone just having a good old grand time. Just chilling, nothing exciting, nothing crazy. No one's getting kicked out. Check out this Evo. Oh my goodness. The difference between an American car meet versus a Japanese car meet. Civilized, very quiet, everyone's minding their own business, taking photos. Mind you, this is actually a private garage, so there is security on each floor. And so far, not bad. No problems yet. Here we go. Now we're rolling. Here we go. This one. Get my change. Alright. I don't even collect these, dude. But me being like a gambling addict. Alright, let me open this on my camera. Actually, can someone else open this?
Oh, you open it.
Alright, we got Alex Penful on deck here. Here we
I can tell you
go.
what it is already.
What is it?
It's a Murcielago SV. It's pretty good.
Oh, shit!
If Aaron had
Is that what? Oh no, open it. Let's check it out. I'm actually pretty excited about this.
How the fuck
You have to take the silver.
You gotta
thing
took the, yeah. It's a weird system, but until you get like a shitty car, I guess.
Like
A
whatever
Zed.
this is.
I don't know what these are that he want. This one costs 500 yen, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that was the 800 yen.
800 yen.
That's pretty good. That's very good.
Whoa!
Really good.
Now we're rolling, guys. Yes, I got a Murcielago SV in orange. One of my favorite cars of all time.